Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn on how to create a more interactive PowerPoint slide by using the animations that we have in PowerPoints. So before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to cover about how to create an interactive PowerPoint slideshow, but which consists of any animations or transitions that is normally used in PowerPoint slideshow. In normal PowerPoint slideshow, we can see that the animation will start by clicking and the mouse, or it will start with the previous animations, or just simply start right after the previous animation. But in this video, I'll show you how to create an interactive slideshow and with animation that will start just by simply clicking any picture that you want to use. That which these animations are actually not being arranged in an order manner. So for example, you can see here the instruction here, click on any animals to know more, which you can simply click on any animals that have been shown here. There are 4 animals here: the elephant, the lion, tiger, and crocodile. For example, if you start with the crocodile, so you can see it appears here the information of the picture. Next, we can simply click elephant. Next one, or maybe the lion and the tiger. So the question is how to create this kind of animation. So here we are going to learn about how to create this kind of animations. So what we have here, I've already have 4 pictures of the animals here, which are the tiger, the elephant, the lion, and also the crocodiles. And I've also have the instruction here and here to create these words. Just simply use the text, insert text, and just type in whatever you are going to type. So first, how to create that kind of animation. So first, we have to insert the shape first. I'll choose a circle, so I'll just make it a little bit bigger. So after that, I can change. I'm going to change the shape outline into white, and also the width of the outline to 6. After that, I'll insert another shape which will contain of the information that will explain the picture. So I'll choose rounded rectangular. So I'll make it a little bit bigger than the circle, so that I can put the circle in the rounded rectangular, or on the rounded rectangular. So here you can see this yellow dot. I'll take this yellow dot till the center of the shape, so that it will become like this. So I'll put it here. So you can see that the circles has been disappeared. So how to make it appear again? You can just simply send this rounded rectangular backward. Just click here, send backward. See, you can see there's the circle again here. So here are the normal shapes, or the basic shapes that you are going to do for each and every animals or photos that you are going to do here. So what we will do next, I'm going to insert the photo of the animals in this circle. So how? I'll just go to this slide that consists of these animals. You can simply click on the photo, right click on the photo, click copy. So once you copy the photo here, it will be saved in your clipboard. So how to insert it in this circle? Just click the circle, right click on the circle, and here you can see the format shape here. So you just click the format shape. Here you can see the options. So you just simply choose fill. Here you can see the options of picture or texture fill. Just click picture or texture fill. It will directly automatically insert your picture here. So you can see it has the picture of the tiger has been inserted here. So you just close it here again. So next, how we are going to add the wordings here, or the sentence, or anything that describe this picture. So just click insert text box. just click anywhere. So for example, I'll type in tiger here, so I'll just make it a little bit bigger, and I'll change it into white because the background of the shape fill is blue. So to make it clearer, I'll just take it and make it white, make it a little bit bigger, I think. Okay, so here you can see basic things of the things has been created. So now it is time for us to insert the animation. So how to insert the animation? You can just simply click. Before creating the animation, I'll just make sure that the rounded rectangular and the wording here are in the same group. So I'll just click on the rounded rectangular, and at the same time pressing the control button, and next I'll just click on the tiger or the wording here, so that we have chosen two things to be grouped together. So how to group them all? Just right click on the shape, and you can see here group, so you just click group. So it has been grouped. Once you group the shape and the wording here, it will result in this kind of things, which then the picture of the tiger has disappeared. How to make it appear again? Just go to the shape format. So just send the group things here backwards, so you can see the animals again. So now we are going to put the animations here. So let's say that I'll just leave this the photo of or the picture of the animals with no animation, as I want it when we start the slide it will automatically appear. So I'll just leave the tiger's photo with no animation. So I'll just put animation on this group things, which are the rounded rectangular and also the wording. So I'll just click on the rounded rectangular and the wording, then I'll go to animations. I'll just put white, for example. You can change the direction of the animations here in the effect options, either from bottom, from left, or from right. So I'll choose from left, so you can see it start like that. So now we just have to create another shape here. So you can just simply choose all these things and click Ctrl D. You get the same things here. So here you can move it here. So another one, you can by pressing Ctrl button, you click on these things and also this. So you can simply click Ctrl D to get these two shapes. So it will make your work easier, of course. So now our job is just to change the picture and also the wording. So here you click on the picture. Before that, you just click on the picture here, copy, and here you click on the picture, right click, format picture, fill, picture from texture, clipboard. See? Picture change into an elephant that I've just copied before. So now here you can just click here and we can just change it. This elephant is a little bit longer than tiger, so we can just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, here to insert these things here, going back to here, copy, lion, right click, as it is already here, so you don't have to right click, just click fill here, picture and texture, clipboard, so it changed into a lion. So you just change the wording here, lion, and also here crocodile, back to the picture, right click, copy. You can simply right click and copy, or just simply click on the picture and Ctrl C. So once you back here, you click on the picture here, so fill, pattern and texture, clipboard. So see the photo has been changed into a tiger, crocodile. So change the wording here, crocodile. Crocodile is a little bit long, so just make it a little bit smaller. See, okay. Once you have done with these things, it will appear like this, just like a normal animation, which even if you click on the lion, it will only appear, the tiger will appear. Even if you click on the crocodile first, the elephant will appear, as the animation will follow the order that have been created before in this animation pane. So the question is how to make sure, how to create that these animations will appear by randomly by clicking on the animals that you choose or you are going to choose. So here are the steps. First, let's go first to the home here, home, and you can see here in this editing you can see this choice of select. So you select this and you open the selection pane. You can see here are all the things that you have in this slide. So in order to know which is which, so you just simply click on the picture here. For example, you can see that it is being highlighted here. Oval 5 is the picture of tiger. To make our work easier, we can just rename this thing as 1 and this one as 1A, lion as 2, the description will be 2A, elephant is 3, the description is 3A, crocodile is 4, and the description will be 4A. Okay, after that you can just simply close this section pane. So next, what are we going to do here is we're back to the animation pane, click animation and animation pane. You can see here the things or the animation or things that you have in this slide has been changed into the name that you have just changed before in the selection pane. So now how to create the animation here? You have just to click, for example, this one 1A. So just click in this drop down option here. You can see here, then click timing. You can see here there is trigger here. Just click trigger. Start effect on the click off. So as it is on tiger, description for tiger, so tiger is 1. So you just choose 1, then just click OK. Next, on 2A, just click the drop down option here, timing, trigger, start effect on click off, 2. Number 3, option 3A, click on the drop down option here, timing, trigger, start effect on click off, 3. Okay, and then next one, the last one, 4A, drop down option here, timing, trigger, start effect on the click off this one, then choose 4. Here you go. So after you have changed all these things, all these animations into trigger, so here is the results. See, you can see you can simply choose or click on any of these animals. For example, just click on crocodile, then crocodile will appear. Click on the tiger, tiger will appear. Click on the elephant will appear. And click on the lion will appear. This is how we are going to create an interactive PowerPoint slideshow instead of just putting all the animations, and the animations will just simply play or will be used by clicking it or just play with the previous animation. So here how to create an interactive PowerPoint slideshow. Hope it will benefit you.